Yo man guys, Charlie, you know say we get lives where it dey reduce our power, our strength as men. Charlie, some habits they let we dey lost the power in us as men. Well today that be what I want make we talk about. See, habits where it dey draw our power. Charlie, Bosleo be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator, aka the girls them a slayer. What's up man guys? Charlie, welcome to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment. Charlie, the first thing where it dey kill us, very quickly, where everybody, most of the doctors and everybody they talk about, but still laziness let we know they feel overcome that thing. Most of us know they train. See, lack of training is killing us. Lack of training is making us weak. Charlie, some 60 years man where he dey train. What I see am say that man they do, me as a young man self, I know go fit do because I know they train enough. Charlie, guys, make we know they joke with our training. See, training be very important. Charlie, it be very key to our heart. It be very key, to our health. Training in your 20s will take you through your 30s and your 40s. You dey understand? So if you train within your 20s, where go fit carry you through your 30s and your 40s, why you no go train 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years before you stop? So they go fit carry you to 70, 80, 90, 100. That be why we know they feel grow old. That be why we know they feel grow again, because we become lazy. Guys, Charlie, make we start kill us. Be the negative people we dey work with. See, they say show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. See, they say if you work with 5 rich men, automatic you will be the 6th one. If you work with 4 wisdom guys, automatic you will be the 5th one with wisdom. You dey understand? The type of friends you choose and the type of friends you work with will determine what you will become and what your life will turn up to. You dey understand? What your life go become in a whole. You dey understand? So why you no go work with people where they will have positive impact on your life? This is why I stop most of my friends. This is why I start to work alone. This is why most of the time I want to do things on my own, because I realize that most of the friends me the name they work, no, they help me. You dey understand? And for how long would I be with people who don't add any value to my life? Charlie, it is always better to work alone than to be with negative people and people who will pull you back. My guys, if you know that if you find anybody who will pull you up, then it is always better to work alone. Stop the work with negative people where they get negative mindset. If you want go training, sir, they go tell us, you every day they go training. Why no go come? We go there down there, go take one, then go our place. You dey understand? Make we stop the work with these people. My brothers, see, some of us we dey take things personal. You dey understand? Well, because of that, it let we dey live within our past. See, life, everybody go do mistake. You dey understand? We dey do mistakes where we dey learn from our mistakes. That they help you to grow. That they help you to move forward. You dey understand? So if you do mistake or something happen within your past, where you know if you forget that thing, you know if you move on, where you still there within that pain, because you take the thing so personal, you take the thing so, you be so emotional. Charlie, you go stay behind, man guy. Forget the past. You dey understand? Forget whatever happened to you. See, nobody care what they happen to you. Everybody will only care when you make it. So forget the past and push forward and make it, man guys. That be the most important thing. Charlie, this one there, me myself, I be victim, Charlie. Having unhealthy sleep hours. Charlie, say you know they feel sleep enough or you dey oversleep. Hey, me, I know they sleep enough. Where it be there, I read for money. You dey understand? I like money too much. My eye dey red money. I always dey hustle. I always dey search something. I always dey learn. I always dey push. You dey understand? That be me, my problem for not sleeping enough. But from today, I promise myself I will change. You dey understand? Having unhealthy sleep schedules, Charlie, it dey draw your power. You dey understand? The body dey need some amount of rest to get his energy back. So if you know dey give your body enough rest, Charlie, you dey kill yourself, man. Guys, Charlie, using social media to compare yourself. See, I always dey tell you guys, see, plenty people dey live fake life on social media. You dey understand? They claim they portray things where they no have. They claim they have. You dey understand? So if you dey watch somebody like that, where he always dey claim say he get this, he get that, but you no get, where you dey compare yourself to that person, automatically you dey kill yourself. You dey kill your dreams. You dey kill your ambitions. Just put your head down. Focus on whatever you want to achieve and push forward. You dey understand? Whoever pass you, whoever chop first, you know they concern you. You see your only target be say you for reach your finish line. Man, guys, life no be competition. Life no be race. Don't go social media, go dey watch people for social media, then take them to compare your life. See, maybe you are even doing better in life more than them. And guys, get this mentality, get this perception. Make your eye no dey read anybody in thing for social media, Charlie.